Hey, fellow travelers! Ever dreamt of wandering through Italy, but tired of the same old tourist traps? Well, today, I've got something special for you. We're diving into 12 hidden gems in Italy that will absolutely steal your heart. Buckle up, because this journey is about to get magical. First, let's head to Matera. This ancient city is carved into cliffs and is one of the oldest continuously inhabited places in the world. Walking through its labyrinthine streets is like stepping back in time. Next up, there's Alberobello, famous for its unique trulli houses. These whitewashed stone huts with conical roofs are straight out of a fairy tale. Trust me, you'll feel like you've entered another world. Ever heard of the Aeolian Islands? Nestled off the northern coast of Sicily, these volcanic islands are a paradise for nature lovers. From black sand beaches to active volcanoes, adventure awaits at every corner. Now, onto Civita di Bagnoregio. Known as the Dying City, this stunning hilltop village is slowly eroding away. Connected to the mainland by a footbridge, it offers breathtaking views and a sense of serene isolation. Let's not forget the enchanting town of San Gimignano. Famous for its medieval towers, it's often called the medieval Manhattan. Climb to the top for panoramic views of the Tuscan countryside. Next, we journey to Treviso, often overshadowed by its neighbor, Venice. But this charming city with its canals and frescoed houses is definitely worth a visit. Plus, it's the birthplace of tiramisu. For those seeking tranquility, head to Lake Orta. Smaller and quieter than Lake Como, it's perfect for a peaceful retreat. Take a boat to the enchanting San Giulio Island for a truly magical experience. Next, Maratea, the pearl of the Tyrrhenian. With its dramatic coastline, crystal clear waters, and the towering statue of Christ the Redeemer, it's a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Lastly, the coastal gem of Tropea. Known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and delicious red onions, it's a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. So, there you have it, 12 hidden gems in Italy that are just waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me for more adventures. Happy travels, everyone!